Merry Christmas Airfix fans and welcome to another Advent Calendar video. Today I'm joined by Paramjit. Paramjit, welcome.
Cheers, thanks.
So as you can see in front of us we have two quick build kits. So today we're going to be doing the quick build challenge. Do you know what that is, Paramjit?
No, first time about it.
Okie dokie, so we've got our kits in front of us. Inside all the quick build boxes you get a nice instructions booklet, right? We're not going to use that. No. We're going to be using the skill as modelers.
Cool.
Right? Now, we've got in front of us a P51D Mustang. You are a big fan of Mustangs.
Yeah.
We've seen in some of our videos how good your builds are. How are you feeling about this one?
Pretty confident.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can take as long as you like.
Okay.
We've got stand, stickers, kit.
Cool.
Everything's got to be done. First to the finish line wins.
Yep.
Last time I beat Chris, just about. So Airfix reputation, I think, is on the line here.
Yeah, prepare to lose.
Are you? Them's fighting words. This guy's competitive. You are competitive, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not that competitive, but I can feel that. So, are you ready?
Yeah, all good.
Let's do this. You ready? Wait. You went ahead there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Is it looking like it's quite like the Airfix gear? Like in terms of part wise?
Kind of. Not too bad.
That puts you in an even better advantage. There's no point looking at mine. It's not going to help you in any way.
Told you were gonna lose.
Oh, this is like one of them. This is the most frustrating thing. Really? Look at that. That is. I think I
Shop with the stickers.
Yeah, you got the stickers as well, but I really don't. I don't think I can come back from this.
Do you want it in?
Oh. Look, if it flies right, then that's what matters. Take a look at mine compared to yours. That's
upside down.
I have no idea what these. Okay, so they go on the side, right? Yeah. Okay. And look, he's that competitive. He's gonna do it for me. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is. I mean, he's cheating because he's, you know, an expert when it comes to Mustangs, right? Just no, leave it, because now it's just getting embarrassing for me. So there we go. We have your fully built Mustang and my semi-built monstrosity. I think you pretty much annihilated me on that one.
Yeah.
It's safe to say.
Told you were going to lose.
I know, but I thought it'd be a bit more competitive than you completely blitzing me. I've still got tons of pieces left. Yeah.
I destroyed you.
You did. You did. Thanks for obviously joining me. It's 1-0 Paramjit over Mike, and it's 1-1 against Airfix. So maybe I'll win next time. Who knows? So obviously today we were building a Mustang, but there's loads of different quick build kits that you can choose from: aircrafts, vehicles, tanks. So take a look at airfix.com for more information about that. And yeah, they make a brilliant Christmas gift. I suppose there's nothing left to say, but please don't come back again. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, Paramjit.
No problem.
It's goodbye from me. It's goodbye from this guy.
Take care. See you.